Oh my gosh, it's Narpy. No way. I cannot believe my eyes right now. Oh no, I'm dead. What's going on, guys? So today, I have something a little bit different. I'm not going to be putting any Apple products in this video. I know, shocking, right? A video that's not about Apple. Here we have my Chromebook from high school, and we're actually going to see what you can do with one of these things. Of course, it hasn't been plugged in like months to a year, so let's go ahead and plug it in. Let's just plug it in right there. It's powering on. That's nice to see. Is it actually gonna power on? I actually don't think it will. Oh, it does. Okay. There's no way the battery's full. Something's not right. A lot of preloaded crap on here. But I do have some apps I installed myself, like Discord, Instagram. Yeah, that's kind of what I thought. I didn't think it was fully charged. We have YouTube Studio on here. Oh god, when was the last time this thing was used? I'm actually kind of curious how reliable this thing is, so... Well, first I'm actually going to let this charge up a little bit, but afterwards I'm going to test what can run on this thing, how well the frame rate is, just sort of things like that. I mean, a simple thing to start off with is YouTube, so I don't think YouTube is going to be that much of an issue for this thing when it's charging at 1%, because YouTube's pretty light. It sure is slow, that's for sure. Let's watch the video I literally just uploaded an hour ago. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the first video of the new year. Yeah, I know I haven't uploaded anything because I got sick at the very beginning of the year and I wasn't really feeling. Let's pump the volume up. The first thing I want to talk about with the iPhone 6s is that 3 years have made your software... Pause this video. It seems to be running fine. It actually seems to be running okay. I mean, I would expect that. It's a Chromebook. I don't think a Chromebook would really chug running a YouTube video, but the quality, it's 720/60. That's actually not that bad. I'll let that slide, actually. I don't have the original charger that came with this. I lost it while in high school, so I'm just using the one that came with my Quest. I mean, hey, it charges my Note 9 just fine. Okay, what else can we do on this machine? Let's go to Spotify. I don't think I've actually opened Spotify on this Chromebook in a long time. Am I even logged in? I don't even think I'm logged in anymore because it's been way too long. It automatically... No, I don't even know how to do this touchscreen Spotify thing. How do I log out? Log out. You know what? This touchscreen actually isn't terrible. I'm actually surprised how responsive the touchscreen actually is. It's not that bad. Oh, okay, that was actually really easy to get back into my personal Spotify account. Let's do a song from this little goober.
I'm laying in bed, waiting for hours at a time. I'm waiting for sunshine to pass me by.
Okay, it works. Yeah, Spotify works completely fine. So that's 2 for 2. YouTube works fine, Spotify works fine. Great. Amazing. Shout out to this guy, by the way. Their band is really freaking cool. Go check them out. Now that we've done YouTube and Spotify, let's try something a little bit more demanding. Let's try Discord and see if that works. I'm probably not even logged in, like, in the slightest at all. Yeah, I'm not. Okay. No way. Oh my gosh. I didn't sign into Discord on, like, my main account. This is an alt that I haven't used since 2019. And holy crap. I did not expect to actually see this at all. Discord definitely fully 100% works. It works. It loads chat messages, stuff like that. Wow, I haven't logged into that account for like 3 to 4 years. It's at 4%. We're gonna wait a little bit to play Roblox. So in the meantime, let's load up YouTube Studio. I don't know why it's in portrait mode, but here are the analytics for for the Enzo Was Taken channel. So yeah, YouTube Studio works. That works fine. I'm just actually gonna go ahead and say screw it. Let's go ahead and try Roblox right now. Am I even logged in? I don't know. I don't even think I'm logged in on Roblox anymore. If we're not logged in, I'll just log in with an alt. Okay, never mind. I need to upgrade. And yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and launch Roblox. We're not logged in. I kind of saw that from the page where it said I needed to upgrade. Let's go ahead and sign in on an alt. Okay, let's play a game of Murder Mystery 2. Haven't played Murder Mystery 2 in a little bit, so let's go ahead and play it. Yeah, join that server. Join that server. Okay, so using the trackpad does not work if I want to, Oh. Okay, well, I'm innocent. I'm an innocent bystander, so I'm just gonna get coins. Hello, ma'am. How are you doing? You doing good? Yeah? Okay. Hello there, kind person. I hope you are well. Oh my gosh, it's Narby. No way. I cannot believe my eyes right now. Oh no, I'm dead! Apparently, the murderer died. No, the sheriff was the Narby guy. What are the graphic settings? Oh, they're like halfway. Let's put that here. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm already seeing lots of improvement. Once again, an innocent bystander, just doing my job, looking around. I'm gonna just go in here. I think I shall be safe, and nothing will stab me in the chest. Why does my iPhone XR keep going to the Photos app? Please stop. I'm not touching it. Please stop. 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 I don't want that. Stop it. Are they trying to get to me? I actually have no idea if they're still trying to get to me or not. Oh. Wow, victory! We did it! Wow! This is going so well. Oh, this is great. Oh, I love the frame rate. This is going real well. Yeah, this is going real well. I think I will survive this. I think I'll be fine. This is great. I don't see any problem with this at all. I'm hidden, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry about this. I'm hidden. Wow, we won. That's crazy. Okay, I'm quitting Roblox. I think that's actually enough. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more stuff like this where I mess with random electronics that I have in my house, make sure you leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.